Welcome, everyone. Today, we are starting a new and exciting journey into the world of machine learning, specifically brought to you by BMP-Infotech. BMP-Infotech is all about empowering innovation and connecting the world, and in this course, we aim to explore the basics of machine learning all the way to its advanced applications. This course will help you unlock the true power of machine learning, giving you practical insights into how data can drive decision-making and change industries. Let's get started with what machine learning is all about and how it works.
Machine learning is a method of data analysis that automates the process of building analytical models. Arthur Samuel defined machine learning back in 1959 as giving computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed in simple terms. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from data. Instead of following a predefined set of instructions, the machine identifies patterns within the data and makes decisions or predictions. This process allows computers to uncover hidden insights and solve problems with minimal human intervention. Why is machine learning so important today? One reason is the sheer availability of data. In today's digital age, the amount of data generated from smart devices, sensors, and the Internet of Things is immense. Machine learning helps process this data efficiently, providing valuable insights for intelligent decision making. Another reason is computational power. Thanks to advances in hardware, we can now handle and analyze massive amounts of data quickly. In essence, machine learning is changing the future of industries by driving both time and cost savings, making it a critical tool for innovation. Let's clarify the difference between machine learning, statistical analysis, and artificial intelligence. Machine learning is an algorithm-driven process that allows systems to learn from data. Statistical modeling, on the other hand, formalizes the relationships between variables using mathematical equations. And AI refers to the broader science of developing systems that mimic human behavior. While these terms are often used interchangeably, understanding their distinctions can help us apply them more effectively to solve real-world problems. Machine learning has revolutionized various industries and applications. For instance, it powers virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, providing real-time speech recognition. It's behind recommendation systems used by Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify, which enhance user experiences by offering personalized suggestions. In image processing, machine learning plays a crucial role in facial recognition, medical imaging diagnostics, and even autonomous vehicles. And other industries benefiting from machine learning include finance, healthcare, marketing, sales, and more. Machine learning is transforming a wide range of industries by making systems smarter, faster, and more efficient. Let's explore some key fields where machine learning is making a significant impact. Government agencies. Machine learning helps in areas like fraud detection, public safety, and policy making through predictive analytics. Telecom and telecommunications. Machine learning enhances customer service, improves network reliability, and predicts maintenance needs. Image processing, from facial recognition to medical diagnostics. Image processing applications use machine learning to analyze and interpret visual data with accuracy. Transportation, autonomous vehicles, route optimization, and traffic management systems rely heavily on machine learning to improve safety and efficiency. Oil and gas. Machine learning is used to optimize exploration, reduce downtime in operations, and predict equipment failures in the energy sector. Financial services. From detecting fraudulent transactions to risk management, machine learning helps financial institutions make informed decisions with real-time data analysis. Machine learning can be categorized into several types. First, we have supervised learning, where the system is trained on labeled data to make predictions or classify new inputs. Next is unsupervised learning, where the system looks for patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning is another type, where systems learn by interacting with their environment to maximize certain rewards. These learning methods underpin various applications like regression, classification, clustering, and more advanced techniques such as semi-supervised learning. Let's talk about the tools we use to implement machine learning algorithms. Python is by far the most popular programming language in this field, thanks to its simplicity and extensive libraries like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, and PyTorch. Other languages include R, widely used for statistical analysis, and Java, known for scalability in large applications. Choosing the right language depends on the application and the type of project you're working on. Learning machine learning can seem daunting, but if you break it down into stages, it becomes manageable. Start by mastering Python programming, then move on to understanding statistics and probability, which form the backbone of machine learning. Next, learn how to pre-process data, as this is crucial to any machine learning model success. Once you've covered the basics, dive into the key machine learning algorithms, and finally, work on real-world projects to apply your knowledge. As you progress, explore advanced topics like deep learning. Machine learning is the future growth engine for many global industries. The banking and financial sectors use machine learning for fraud detection, customer service, and personalized marketing. In academia, data science and machine learning play a pivotal role in research and statistical computing. It's important to remember that machine learning is not a decision making system, but a decision supporting system, providing valuable insights and augmenting human capabilities. As a machine learning expert, you'll be involved in a variety of tasks, including documenting business data, performing statistical analyses, and identifying patterns within data to make informed decisions. You'll also work on creating data reports and tools that help business executives make critical decisions. Understanding the types and structure of data, combined with machine learning expertise, makes you an invaluable asset to any organization. While machine learning is powerful, it does have limitations. Each narrow application needs specific training, and the models require large amounts of structured training data. Learning generally must be supervised, and machine learning models do not yet learn incrementally in real time. Transfer learning, or the ability to reuse models for new tasks, is still a challenge. Additionally, machine learning struggles with real time interactions, and integrating systems across domains remains a significant hurdle. To wrap up, let's look at some pros and cons of machine learning. On the plus side, machine learning is robust, scalable, and fast, making it ideal for tasks like document level processing and parameter optimization. However, it requires a large amount of annotated data and can be difficult to debug, especially in shorter, more nuanced tasks like natural language processing. Machine learning systems also tend to work with continuous loss functions, meaning they're not always ideal for discrete problem solving tasks. Thank you for joining us on this journey into machine learning. We've explored its fundamentals, applications, and even its limitations. At BMP Infotech, we believe machine learning is one of the most transformative technologies of our time. As you continue your learning path, remember that this field is evolving rapidly, and your skills will only grow more valuable as machine learning continues to impact every industry. Stay curious, keep learning, and together, let's shape the future of technology.